everyone, this week's studio vlog is all about making stickers. I'm going to show you what materials I use, how I set it up on the Cricut and what they've come out like. So first, materials. I did a lot of research before I bought any sticker paper to make sure that I wasn't wasting money, and I love these two. So I did make the mistake of ordering matte white paper stickers. They didn't have a very nice finish. It felt like print paper, whereas this is nice smooth vinyl. So, you know, there was some trial and error, but I very much would recommend Evergreen Goods. They're such a good price. You can find them on Amazon, but if you go to Evergreen Goods' website directly, then you will get them cheaper. I do also really like the Cricut printable vinyl, but it is more expensive. But that is available in Hobbycraft if you're just wanting to, you know, do it on a small scale. 10 sheets, and these come in packs of 20 or packs of 10, but you can order like up to 100 through the Evergreen Goods website if you're really printing that many stickers. So we've covered paper, now the machines. Anybody that watched my first video will know that I have just got the Canon IP8750 Pixma. It is fantastic. The print quality on every type of card, sticky paper, glossy, matte I've used has been excellent quality, so I would highly recommend that. It is also a very reasonable price if you're just starting out. And the Cricut Maker, which I got from Very. So the printer I got from John Lewis, and the Cricut Maker I got from Very. So now we've seen the machines, let's see how we tell this how to make stickers. First we'll open up the Cricut Design Space, and then that will bring up the home page, and we want to click New Project in the top right corner. This will open up a blank canvas, and the very first thing we do is add a shape. So this is a square. If we set it to 17 centimeters, it'll stay square. So we need to unlock the diameters. So we can set one side to 17 centimeters and one to 23.5, because that is what Cricut says is its print then cut radius. Once we've got our shape in place in the top left corner, we're going to upload the image that we want to turn into a sticker. So we click upload, and then we select our image. Today we're using the Trash Panda. Once that's uploaded onto the system, it'll ask you how complex the image is. I always go for moderately complex. I don't actually know what the difference is, so I stick to the middle ground. Now we're going to click continue. When we continue, it's going to want to remove the background from your image. I've already removed the background and added a white trim using my design software, but it can be done in the Cricut Design Space too. It will then ask you what type of image it is. Ours is a print then cut image because we want it to print off and then be put into the Cricut to be cut. Our image is now permanently in the Uploads folder on the Cricut Design Space. So we just click it and then add to canvas. It's going to come up massive, and if I change this to 5 centimeters, it will skew. So what we need to do first is lock the dimensions and then change it to 5 centimeters tall, and that will automatically change the width so it stays proportionate. I'm going to move it into the place and then right click and click duplicate. We'll do this a few times, moving them into the position that we want them to print. You can do this as many times as you want, but you must remain within the grey box, as that is the only area that the Cricut can print then cut. Once you've then got all of your stickers in place, you'll want to press Ctrl and select all of the different layers on the right hand side. Then you're going to click the flatten button in the bottom right to have it all on one layer. The final thing to do is to delete that square shape in the background so that the Cricut doesn't cut it out when you're printing. Now we click Make It in the top right corner. It's going to sort your project onto one mat. This is because we've flattened it. And then when we continue, you click Send to Printer. If you'd already printed that day, you could click I've already printed, and it'll move you to the next step. It'll then bring up this screen. You select your printer and click Print, and you'll select your base material. I find that medium cardstock with more pressure cuts all the way through the glossy vinyl. You can play around with this and decide whether you need more pressure or not. That is just my personal preference. Everything else is then done off screen. You'll click the feed button on your Cricut and then you'll press the cut button and it'll go through scanning, finalising and then eventually cutting. Stickers! Oh, young hearts, run free. Never be hung up like my man and me. My man and me. And here's the finished product. These stickers will be going up on my next shop update, which should be the end of May. And I'm keeping them safe in these little cellophane bags. Let's go a bit closer so you can see the print quality is so good. Honestly, I felt like I was taking a big risk buying that printer and Cricut machine, but I'm so pleased because now I get to make my own stickers. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. A new video comes out every Friday. Bye.